Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys, and let's take a look at the gold market as usual in the second video. So as you can see, we have discussed this moment in the weekly report that probably this hype around the problems with the delivery on the COMEX exchange mostly is technical, and it's no lack of the physical gold for delivery, but it's different of the bullion size for delivery purposes. And as soon as this problem will be eliminated, this market should turn back to the normal price action. And you can see that as soon as some relief has happened here, the first signs yesterday, we saw already yesterday, gold really turns to some deeper retracement. In the general, we still keep our view that in the longer term perspective, the more demand for the delivery, for the physical delivery will be. And in the long term, we suggest that gold really could start a long-term trend. That's our view. All the stuff that we have right now is mostly technical and very short-term. All the swings that we have on the daily chart, at least while market stands inside of the monthly doji pattern. Because if you remember, this great volatility on the market is the big doji pattern. It's the same as on the euro. And direction will depend on the direction of the breakout. Direction of the market will depend on the direction of the doji breakout. And while market is calling around it, different minor steps could be formed, which will make no impact on the longer term charts. Still, in the short-term situation, let's see what we have. As problems with the physical delivery on the COMEX mostly is faded, you could see what has happened. Market has broken through this range. We said yesterday that while market is forming the triangle, it's more chance that there will be some upward action here. But it was a difficult moment for taking the decision on the trade, because at this point there is no reasonable good level for placing stop existing. That's why we called yesterday for taking the position at some confidence support and some probable retracement if it will happen here. For the bears, it was also a difficult decision because no clear bearish pattern was forming here as well. But if you have taken a risk and still taking the short position, you probably should be satisfied with the result currently, because indeed market has dropped right to the first support area, 1570. What to expect next? On the hourly chart, you can see that market has completed its ABC top XOP target and now stands in upward action. But at the same time, since market was standing for a long time, almost whole week previously at well, let's call it as artificial levels, because potentially on the technical picture before this situation has started, it has suggested starting from the retracement, and only the problems on the COMEX have held the price at the high level. Currently, market is getting the relief, and it shows the fast downside action. Once the agreement level has been hit, 1570, actually, that's the reason why we said that probably will be relatively safe trying to take the position at this major support, because at least my minor technical bounce here has a chance to happen, and currently we see it in the progress. But at the current moment, it's still the question whether the market will turn up immediately from that point. So it seems that we could get some upward action here, retracement maybe in the shape of the ABC reparation, but later it's another leg down could follow. So currently, guys, I think that's still a bit early to take the long position. On the bearish side, well, if we will get the clear bearish continuation pattern in kind of the guarded supply to sell, well, maybe it makes sense trying to take the short position if you're trading gold on the short side right now. But mostly, with the more chances, I would treat the situation as watch and see, because in the current moment, well, I don't see any attractive setups for taking position immediately.